Hey, this is Amos, the math guy. Quickly, we're going to talk about the introduction to atomic and nuclear physics. This is the very first chapter. It says, Introduction. The decade from 1895 to 1905 may be termed the beginning of modern physics. 1895, we discover X-rays. 1896, we discover electrons. We discover radioactivity. 1897, J.J. Thomson is on the move. James Clerk Maxwell had done his work in the 1800s also, so he laid the groundwork at the Cavendish Laboratory. So here we are in 1895, we get radioactivity, we get X-rays and all of that. So you're going to hear some names, and I'm going to explain why chemistry and physics need to be taught together. So in 1895 to 1905 may be termed the beginning of a modern physics. During this period, J.J. Thomson succeeded in demonstrating the existence of the electron, a fundamental unit of negative electricity having very small mass. Becquerel discovered the phenomenon of natural radioactivity. Marie Curie is involved at this also. And Rankine discovered X-rays, 1895. So to these discoveries must be added the bold hypothesis put forth by a man named Max Planck. Max Planck is the one that helped us understand the nature of light better. Part of that work goes back to James Clerk Maxwell again. Stay tuned for my video on Maxwell. We're going to do a whole course on Maxwell. I visited his house in Edinburgh in 2023, and wow, I need to start doing a tour, taking people there to kind of learn his story. He died at 48, but he literally changed the world of physics. Albert Einstein was asked, do you stand on the shoulders of Newton? He said, no, I stand on the shoulders of Maxwell. So Becquerel discovered the phenomenon of natural radioactivity. Rankine discovered X-rays. To these discoveries must be added the bold hypothesis put forth by Max Planck that radiant energy in its interaction with matter behaves as though it consists of corpuscles or quanta of energy. This led to the development of the quantum theory of radiation and ultimately to quantum mechanics. It was also during this period that Einstein re-examined the fundamental concepts of physics and was led to the development of the special theory of relativity. We're going to do a deep dive into the general theory of relativity and the special theory of relativity over the course of the year, God willing. So, where do we go from here? Notice that these names I'm mentioning to you, J.J. Thomson, Henry Becquerel, Max Planck, we talk about them in chemistry, we talk about them in physics, and we do math problems to make sense of some of their discoveries. So notice that chemistry, physics, and math really should be taught together. That's what makes sense, because why am I working on an equation without understanding the context for why the equation exists? Boyle's law in chemistry, Charles' law in chemistry. We're using math to understand inverse relationships and direct variation, but what is the, help me understand why these people did what they did. Well, in order to help me understand what they did, you're going to have to talk about chemistry and physics. But you're using math to do the problem. So we really should call it STEM class. And people should just spend maybe 2 hours learning math and science combined, the mathematical sciences. Yeah, my name is Amos Tarfa. Again, I'm the director of the Learning Institute for Excellence. And we have math and science, physics and chemistry tutoring. We also have ACT and SAT courses. Our goal is really to re-envision the 17 and 1800s. Let's bring back the days of Isaac Newton and James Clerk Maxwell, that kind of rigor in the teenage years. Let's do that. That's what we want to do. So the Learning Institute for Excellence has curriculum options and we have classes. Email amosthemathguy@gmail.com if you want to check out, if you want to learn more information about any of our programs. We have homeschool enrichment programs. We have dual enrollment programs for college credit for high school students. We have a lot of things going for us. And what's our goal? We want to revolutionize education in the AI age. And we want to inspire young people to have a vision for life. We write curriculum and we inspire students through curriculum programs to help them see how things ought to be. So like what we're talking about, chemistry, physics, and math. Let's teach those together. So reach out if you have any questions. Thanks for watching this video. I'm excited to talk more about physics and chemistry and mathematics over the next year. Take care and have a blessed day. Please subscribe for more videos.